the Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Korea. Born in 1967, he is a career diplomat with over 30 years' experience. He earned a BA in Geography Education from Korea University in 1991. He later obtained an MA in Diplomacy and National Security in Kyunghee University in 2019. He joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 1991 and has held key diplomatic positions including Vice Consul in Houston, posting in India and China, and leadership in roles in Ministry of Foreign Affairs. He served as Director General Overseas Korea National Protection in 2019. His hobbies include reading and hiking. He is married and has 2 daughters and 1 son.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, to present to you Mr. Kang Unishiki, Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Korea.
Your Excellency, Habari Yako, please allow me to convey compliments of Acting President Choi Sang-mok and the people of Republic of Korea to you and the people of Republic of Kenya. It is truly a privilege to be assigned to Kenya, a country of immense beauty and attractions, at a time when bilateral relations between Korea and Kenya are rapidly developing. In particular, Your Excellency's visit to Korea in June last year on the occasion of Korea-Africa Summit, following your visit in November 2022, marked significant milestone in the development of bilateral relations. Your Excellency, I'd like to reaffirm Korean government's unwavering commitment to render its full support for Kenya's development strategy. A number of projects are currently underway in close collaborations between Korea and Kenya. The construction of Kenya Advanced Institute of Science Technology, which you visited last December, will be completed by the end of March of this year. And establishment of a digital media city at Konja Technopolis and the proposed intelligent transportation system in Nairobi will serve as a symbol of our strong bilateral relations. In addition, Korean institutions and enterprise spearheaded by Korea Export-Import Bank and Yongwon Corporations are exploring opportunities to establish presence in Kenya this year. I firmly believe that all these efforts will contribute to realization's Kenya's bottom-up economic transformations agenda. Your Excellency, I sincerely believe that there is huge potential for mutually beneficial cooperations between our nations on the path ahead. During my tenure as Korean ambassador to Kenya, I spent no time in further reinforcing friendship and cooperation. But last but not least, with a growing number of Korean nationals visiting Kenya, I'd like to kindly request your esteemed support in providing any necessary assistance during their stay. Now I have the honor to present to Your Excellency the letter of record of my predecessors and my credentials, by which His Excellency Acting President Choi Sang-mok has appointed me as next Ambassador, Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Republic of Korea to Republic of Kenya. Asante sana. Thanks.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within the territory of Kenya by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible the interests and aspirations of our two nations. Congratulations, Ambassador, on your appointment. Welcome to Kenya. My very best wishes, and I look forward to working with you.
Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Angola. He was born in Lobito, a city facing the sea, very beautiful and known for regionally and internationally due to the strategic project called Corridor do Lobito. He is married, father of 6 children, 5 who are adults, 1 minor, and 3 grandchildren. Unfortunately, his parents passed away while he was still young. He considers himself a very cordial person, easy to deal with, reserved, and very devoted to his family. He really likes his professional career, very dedicated and responsible in carrying out his duties. His main hobbies are sporting activities with a particular emphasis on football, basketball, and roller hockey.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Mr. Mario de Acevedo Constantino, Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Angola.
Your Excellency, President William Samuel Ruto, good morning. Excellency, first of all, allow me to convey the best compliments of His Excellency João Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola, and through Your Excellency convey equally a word of affection, brotherhood, and friendship to all Kenyan people. Excellency, based on the regional and their international importance, our two countries are committed to living together and raising ever higher the relations of friendship and fraternity between our peoples. Excellency, this being the case, it's a great honor for me to be received by Your Excellency. In order, first, to present the recall letters of my predecessor, and second, to present my credentials letters, through which His Excellency President João Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço and holder of the executive power, has appointed me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Kenya. Functions and duties that I will perform to the best of my knowledge in favor of strengthening and deepening our bilateral relations. Your Excellency, at the end of my brief statement, I cannot fail to thank for your Excellency hospitality, and please accept the Excellency the expression of my highest respect and consideration. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais. Thank you.
I, William Samuel Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within the territory of Kenya by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. Ambassador, congratulations on your appointment. Welcome to Kenya. I look forward to working with you, and my very best wishes. Thank you.
Ambassador Designate of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, with residence in Dar es Salaam. Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam to the United Republic of Tanzania, concurrently accredited to the Republic of Kenya, the Federal Republic of Ethiopia, and Democratic Republic. Also accredited to the Republic of Burundi and the Republic of Rwanda, the Republic of Uganda, and the Federal Republic of Somalia, and representative of Vietnam to the African Union. She was born in Hanoi with a Bachelor in English, Masters in International Relations, Foreign Languages, and Spoken English. Her hobbies include music, with a special liking to classical, country, jazz, and pop. She can play amateur piano and the ukulele.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Ms. Vu Tan, Ambassador Designate of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, with residence in Dar es Salaam.
Excellency, respected President, my great honor to be here today to present Your Excellency the credential letter from my President, His Excellency Luan Khun, appointed me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam to the Republic of Kenya. First of all, allow me to take this opportunity to convey to Your Excellency the cordial greetings from my President, and extends on behalf of the government and people of Vietnam, congratulations and best wishes to your government and people of Kenya for the great socio-economic achievements gained under your leadership. This year, two countries will commemorate 13th anniversary of diplomatic relations. Though it's a quite young relationship, we have always mutually supported each other over time, and today both sides are sharing the same perspective of nation building and economic development for the prosperity of peoples, for the peace, stability, and development of two nations in particularly, and the two continents in general. Vietnam also highly appreciates the Green Industrialization Africa initiative launched by Your Excellency President, aiming to accelerate and scale up green industries and business across Africa, promote climate mitigation and adaptation that boosts economic growth and create significant opportunities for Africa in whole. This year, Vietnam will host a P4G summit, Partnering for Green Growth and Global Goals 2030, scheduled for April 16 and 17 in Hanoi capital. Vietnam kindly wished to receive Your Excellency to attend the summit. Your Excellency, in the context that diplomatic mission has not been yet open embassy in each country as we plan in the futures, I would like to propose that two sides could appoint honorary consul in advance to act as a bridge and connect chairs and carry out assigned tasks as an effective means to immediately have implement multi-phase cooperation between the two sides. Here, I have a good profile of nomination to submit for Ministry of Foreign Affairs consideration. Lastly, Excellency, I strongly believe that during my tenure of office, with the full support from Your Excellency and your government, I will do positively contribute to the better cooperation and friendship between the two nations and peoples. May Your Excellency be good health, and may the Republic of Kenya enjoy prosperity and happiness of Kenyan people. Asante sana.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize Your Excellency to pursue the interests of your government within the territory of Kenya by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the mutual aspirations of our two people and our two nations. Again, Ambassador, congratulations on your appointment. Welcome to Kenya. I look forward to working with you, and my very best wishes. Okay.
And I'll now request those that may be seated to kindly be upstanding as we come to the conclusion of this session. We shall wind up with the Kenyan national anthem as our closing prayer. The anthem.